Okay, Trent. Okay, Trent.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Come back with another video for you guys. So today I just wanted to basically do a quick video. We're going to be doing more of an aesthetic mod today to Nightwing. Oh my god, they need brakes. But yeah, so pretty much there's some pieces of the interior I've been thinking about doing this to. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are on the interior. So when I bought this car, there's a lot of little small pieces of the car that I really don't understand how this could be done. Like, how do you scrape off all that gray paint right there? And over here, you can see he has the dash all scratched up. But what we're doing today is we're gonna be cleaning this up. We're actually gonna paint, try to attempt to paint this, and I want to try to paint this one to match as well. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so what we're going to be doing or using today is we have a panel pry tool, a flathead screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, however you want to call it. We have some gloss black paint, courtesy of the job. I'm gonna go ahead and you're going to want to pry up around these edges here to get this off. This is a 2SS, so I have these extra gauges right here as well. So you get this up and these unplug from the harness. So let's get into it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have the gauge pack out. So I want to still have a bit of contrast. So I think I'm gonna mask this part off and that part off for the charger. And I believe I'm going to see if I can take these out and just have the bare plastic here, and then go ahead and give this thing a makeover. But first, I'm going to take this off. It should be the exact same as this, just prying around the edges. So let me do that right quick, and I'll catch you guys when we get to the next step.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, it actually took me a little longer to get this out. So as you can see, there's 3 holes right here. There's a big clip in the middle and 2 guide pins that you have to remove in order to get this out. You still pry around the edges, but you do have to take that other plastic piece right there out from it. So now let's go on to the next step. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I was able to strip this down to the bare plastic like I wanted. So now I'm going to clean this up a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and start spraying paint on these things. Okay, guys, so we got our paint booth ready. We're gonna go ahead and start spraying our paint. All right, guys, so first coat is done. Gonna let this sit here and dry for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. And then we're gonna come back out and put another couple coats on it.
Day 2.
Okay, guys, so it is officially the next day. As you can see, this is the finished product of the centerpiece. So I had to let it dry overnight, because I did put some thick coats of paint on here. You can see it's not perfect, but this is fine for the goal I wanted to achieve. So we need to reassemble this one. And here is the piece that goes around the cluster. This one actually came out cleaner than that one. So yeah, like I said, I need to reassemble that one, and we can go ahead and put this back in the car. We are in the garage today. It is gloomy and raining outside. This thing was just just got cleaned, so we're staying in here today. But yeah, let's reassemble that one and I'll catch you guys next. Okay, so got the centerpiece all reassembled. So I'm probably gonna redo this later on. But like I said, as far as for right now, it looks good. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna go ahead and install it just like this and go from there.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so it is now another day since I last saw you guys. So this turned out to be an excessive project for my mistake. I ended up scratching one of the pieces whenever I put it in, so I kind of had to adjust. And yeah, so I'm gonna pull this thing out. As you can see, we have sun now. Pull this thing out, show you some shots, and then pretty much explain what happened. Okay guys, so here we have the finished product of the painted trim pieces that we did. We did do the center console as well as the instrument cluster as stated earlier in the video. I tried to get you guys as many angles as physically possible with the sun being out, even open the door to both sides to let some more light in here for you guys. But yeah, definitely not a bad change. Even though black is a neutral color, it definitely gives it a good look on the inside. Just by opening the door, you can see the black trim and you can tell that something's different. Usually everything is just gray and it just looks dull if you have a 5th gen Camaro. So yeah, as you can see, we have more of the scratch dash right there. Hopefully I can figure out something for that, as well as we have the stock ugly shifter, and that's most definitely getting changed out soon enough. We have the 2SS gauge pack right here. I'm definitely glad that I was able to separate that and just paint the trim piece itself black. Gives it some contrast. And here is more of a close-up of the instrument cluster. Definitely came out a lot cleaner than the centerpiece, but like I said, I am still happy with how it came out. I will be turning on the key and starting the car so you can see how the gauges look. But since the video was taken in the daytime, you can't really see how it reflects against the black. But I do work nights and I did drive the car at night, and the black tones down the reflection from the lights. So your eyes don't get as distracted as they do with the gray. So if you do long drives, then that's definitely something to think about. But other than that, like I said, I'm really happy with how it came out. It's not a hard project to do, you guys, if you don't make mistakes like I did. But other than that, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. It is the same as the YouTube. And other than that, I will catch you guys on the next video.
Icon, man, my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.